Deep pore cleaning for dark spots. Blackheads. Satisfying extraction. Skin brightening transformation. Look closely at your skin. Sometimes, what looks like a simple blackhead is actually the beginning of a dark spot. Clogged pores don't just affect texture, they slowly turn into pigmentation if left untreated. In today's treatment, we are not just removing blackheads, we are stopping dark spots before they even form. This is a complete deep pore cleaning and skin recovery process. Watch till the end, because the final transformation is more than just satisfying. It's skin healing. Hidden connection, blackheads. Dark spots. Most people treat blackheads and dark spots as separate problems, but in reality, they are connected. When a pore stays clogged for too long, it stretches, it gets inflamed, and after healing, it leaves pigmentation. That's how a simple blackhead turns into a dark spot. So instead of treating the result, we focus on removing the root cause. Step 1. Deep skin awakening, preparation. Before extraction, the skin needs to be prepared, not forced. We begin with a deep cleansing phase to remove surface oil and dirt. Then steam is introduced slowly. This is not just to open pores, but to soften years of buildup trapped inside. The skin starts to relax, and the impurities begin to loosen. Step 2. Targeted extraction, not aggressive. This is where most treatments go wrong. Instead of aggressive squeezing, we use controlled extraction. Each pore is treated individually. Some blackheads come out easily, others resist, showing how deep they were. And these deeper ones are the ones that usually turn into dark spots. By removing them carefully, we prevent future pigmentation. Step 3. Pressure balance technique, unique point. Here's something most people don't know. Too much pressure equals skin damage. Too little pressure equals incomplete extraction. So we use a balance technique, where pressure is controlled and released in cycles. This protects the skin while still cleaning the pores deeply. This step is what separates professional results from damage. Step 4. Pigmentation control phase. Now comes the difference. After extraction, the skin is vulnerable. This is the moment where dark spots can either form or fade. So instead of stopping here, we apply soothing and brightening treatments. These help calm inflammation, reduce melanin production, support even skin tone. This step turns a normal facial into a transformation. Step 5. Skin recovery hydration. After deep cleaning, the skin needs balance. Hydration is key. When skin is properly hydrated, it heals faster, it produces less oil, it prevents future clogging. This step locks in the results. Final transformation, different angle. Now look at the skin again. Not just cleaner, but calmer. Not just smoother, but more even. The pores are cleared, and the chances of dark spots are reduced. This is not just a satisfying result, it's a preventive treatment. Final message, unique ending. Skincare is not just about removing what you see, it's about preventing what you don't want to see later. Blackheads are not just surface problems, they are the starting point of deeper skin issues. Treat them early, and your skin will thank you later. If you enjoyed this satisfying transformation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For more deep pore cleaning, blackhead removal, and real skincare transformations, stay connected.